Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ, fabulous yellow with the black accents, lots of options on this car. First, you'll notice that it's got the clear tail lights, which light up red when you hit the brakes, of course, but they're clear, which signifies that it's the Z06. It's got the giant wicker ball spoiler on it. It's got NPP performance exhaust, of course, as part of the Z06 package, but you can see on those trumpets there's little valves that open and close them. Underneath here in the back you've got a complete clear top, so let me show you that. You can see that that's clear glass top. Storage compartment in here, and let me just open that for you and show you that that's the cargo net, etc. are in there, and the wheel locks, so you're all good there. Cargo cover, cargo net is there. And deep tinted glass, and it's got competition GT seats, which you can see from the back. So let me close this down, and you can see that nice deep tinted glass. Look at the size of those fenders, and then the size of the tires. Massive. So it's got the painted gloss black sport rims with the carbon Corvette inserts. We've painted the calipers for you, pardon me, the rotors. The calipers came painted in gray, but we painted the rotor hats so that they're not all rusty looking. Looks fabulous. On the inside here, look at the kick plate, great condition. Nice yellow stitching on it, on those competition seats with the carbon fiber there, and nice stitching along the doors with the Bose sound system. Let me climb in and we'll just check in here. And yes, the books are there. The car came from Wilson Niblett, good story, no worries. It's got the Alcantara here and here, which is part of the 3LT package, and then the Alcantara up here as well, and the nice dash, just beautiful. It does come with a better quality seat as well, and it's got the Alcantara inserts in the competition GT seats. It does have heated and cooled seats, as you can see there. It's got an exposed carbon fiber roof. Let me close the door here, and you'll see it's got really deep tinted glass, as well as a brow on it. Under the hood is the great news. It's got the 650 horsepower, 600 foot-pounds of torque, 650 foot-pounds of torque on this supercharged V8 engine, Corvette style. That's the way to go. Z06, beautiful. Let me close the hood now. It's got the carbon flash metallic stripe up the center with the carbon flash louvers on the hood. The headlamps have been deep tinted, as well as the side markers have been deep tinted as well. If you don't like it, it comes off. It does have 3M on the car. The 3M is right here on this front bumper. So you can see there the 3M is on the front bumper, and then you've got tinted glass or tinted headlamps there. So on the front here, your front splitter is exposed carbon fiber, which is awesome looking. And go around the front here. Of course, there's not a mark on the car. I'd love to show you one. I don't see any. Here's your other wheel, no curb rash, looking fabulous. Z06 in carbon flash here, this side molding in carbon flash, and then this is exposed carbon fiber on there. And here's your other rear wheel, no curb rash there. And the black accents really make the car stand out. And here is your driver's door, which includes driver memory, power windows, power locks. Your power mirrors are over here, your heads-up display, and you've got exposed carbon fiber dash, and the seat looks fabulous. No wear, no tear, nothing. Lumbar, side bolster, and 8-way power. Then you've got a carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber steering wheel, and again, it matches that exposed carbon fiber roof. That's a lot of options on this car. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Beauty. Here's your steering wheel buttons, which control the dash. This one controls the cruise control. These control the radio. This controls the volume over here. So this is your paddle shifters right here, plus and minus. So you can do it two ways. You can put it in drive and you can do it, or you can put it in manual. If you put it in manual, then you can see it says M1, and then when you shift M2, and it will hold there. When you do that in drive, it will slip back to drive if you don't shift it properly, so you can't make a mistake. Here's your factory navigation. With factory nav, I will show you that you will also get PDR. So here's your PDR, that's your Apple CarPlay, that's your nav, this is your text messages, your audio, and in your settings you can go to driving mode, sound management, and we can do auto, which is it'll figure it out, or you can do stealth. So you see how that went super quiet, and then we can go back to sport, or we can go to track. Okay? Beast. And then you have got cameras front, rear, and side. And down here is your automatic air conditioning. Okay, so let me go back to this one, go back to here, we'll go back to nav and show you the nav. You've got cooled seats, heated seats, and automatic air conditioning right there. When you set the automatic, you can do it in sync, or you can do it separately. Beautiful car. Of course, the other thing you can do is you can put your phone in there and put a USB cable on it. In here you can plug in your 12-volt adapter. In here is your cup holder, and you can see that we just changed the oil. Okay, so it's got fresh oil change in it. Alcantara under here. In here is your USB holder and your power outlet. Okay, so pretty fabulous. Nice looking car. So let's climb out now and have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. Awesome. Just beautiful, eh? What a great color combination. 2019. Last of the big motors right there. What a great sound, eh? What a rumble. Look down that side, look at those fenders, that's gorgeous, isn't it? So there you have it, folks, that's a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ, a lot of exposed carbon fiber, nice black wheels, just 13K, deep tinted glass. It's here and available at monroemotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.